How to review member profiles activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review member profiles activity on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down until you find activity log, and then click this one, profile information, and click this one, member profiles, and here you can manage you can review member profiles activity on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.